Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Guys, my today's video is according to the reset, trendy, demanding, and stylized patterns of today's world demands, and the highly eye-catchy and attractive design patterns that totally young girls, fashion-loving girls are looking for. So guys, now let's move towards our main concern, that is how you can design these patterns. So the answer to this question is, friends, very simple and easy. That is, you can make a lot of choices for the patterns that are being used or could be used to make these very beautiful and stylish dresses. Yes, friends, you have heard it right. You can use the art of machine embroidery, you can use the art of digital machines, you can use the art of computer embroidery, and the very beautiful and most preferable medium, that is the art of hand embroidery. So use these patterns as a prerequisite and design your dresses and become like a very beautiful and exquisite designer by sitting at your home. So hope to see you soon back in my channel with my upcoming new videos. Up till then, take care of yourselves and keep supporting us, keep watching our content as you always have been.